Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we're cooking chili con carne. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-meshed ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Put a frying pan on a medium-high heat and brown off the mince. Once the meat is no longer pink, drain off the excess liquid. Add in the tomato juice, passata, onions, pinto beans, kidney beans and green onions. Give the mixture a good stir. Now add the oregano, chili powder, sugar, cayenne pepper, salt, cumin and black pepper. Mix it all together and bring it to a boil. Then reduce the heat to low so it's simmering and leave to cook for an hour and a half. Remember to stir it occasionally whilst it's cooking. Enjoy this chili while it's hot, garnished with spring onions and a generous dollop of sour cream. This will easily become a dish people remember you for. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.